In this video, you'll learn how to change your name on eBay. This process will help you update your account information efficiently and ensure that your profile reflects your current name accurately. Begin by logging into your eBay account using your credentials. Once you're on the home page, locate and click on the My eBay option at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account overview. From there, look for the account settings link, which is usually found within the drop-down menu. Click on it to access the settings for your account. After entering the account settings, navigate to the personal information section. This area contains all your profile details, including your current name. It is essential to ensure that your account is verified with an up-to-date email address and phone number. Having accurate information prevents issues during the name change process and allows for smooth updates. Next, find the edit option next to your current name displayed in the personal information section. Click on this edit icon to proceed to change your name. You will then be prompted to enter your new name exactly as you want it to appear on your eBay account. Be sure to comply with eBay's guidelines regarding legal and display names. Review your entries carefully to avoid any mistakes, as incorrect information can lead to account issues. Once you have entered your new name, proceed to submit the updated information. eBay may require verification of this change, which could involve sending a confirmation email to the address linked to your account. It is important to check your email for this confirmation and follow any instructions provided. Additionally, monitor your eBay account to ensure that the new name appears correctly and that no further verification is needed. Completing this final step guarantees that your name change has been processed successfully. It is crucial to confirm that all details are accurate to reflect your identity properly on the platform. Keeping your account information current helps maintain trust and professionalism in your eBay Transactions UK. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.